welcome to the Lazy Ass Vegan. I was going to do something different today, and I still might later, but this kind of came across. So I just want to show you, see, it's a lesson in cheese, okay? So if you're vegetarian and you're trying to eat healthier, Dano loves cheese, and we grabbed this, and one it says, and you don't realize, melt topping shredded imitation cheddar cheese, okay? So I didn't notice that, but I mean, I know it's that in its package, but like I said, Dano loves cheese. But to my horror, you know, and it was on sale, so I thought, oh, this is great, this is saving so much money, and you know, the back of my brain knows a packaged product, if it's super cheap, that's usually the first sign to me, don't get it, just don't buy it, it's going to be complete garbage. Not that it's not garbage anyway, but you know what I mean. So anyway, melted some, and I want to show you the results. I'm just going to pan to this bowl, and I'm hoping you can see this. If you can't, just do it yourself. All that oil is so nasty. This is so bad for you, okay? And then I used a napkin to get the rest of the oil off. I'm not serving that in my house. You know, I have my own misgivings about stuff like this anyway, but certainly I am not going to serve that to Dano. So this is going in the garbage. So lesson learned. It's worth spending an extra buck or two if you're going to eat the cheese to get a better product. I'm not saying this product is bad or this company is bad. In fact, I tried to hide the label. What I am saying is, just because it's cheap and you don't have a lot of money doesn't mean you should put it into your body. I mean, this is what I mean when I say I know this food is going to kill us, because this is not food, people. This is just not food. So spend the extra buck or two. If you're going to get it, at least get quality on items like this, for sure. This is the Lazy Ass Vegan. Just wanted to say, you know, just this, look at that. Okay? Come on. That is so gross. Anyway, the Lazy Ass Vegan, have a great day.